afternoon to all of you. Good afternoon, as it is 1st of September 2020, class 11th, subject economics. Our today's topic is land reforms in India. Previously, we learnt about colonialism, then agriculture stagnation, then the causes responsible for slow growth in our agricultural production, and today we want to know about land reforms in India. As we know that India obtained independence on 15th of August 1947. Thereafter, various changes were made in the land distribution system of the country. One of that system was called land reforms. First, let us try to know about the meaning of land reforms. By land reforms, we mean changes in the ownership of land holdings. By land reforms, we mean changes in the ownership of land holdings. Then, there were various types of land system or land reforms prevailing in India. They were Zamindari system, Mahalwari system, and Raitwari system. So far as Zamindari system is concerned, here the land revenue was collected from the farmers by the zamindars. Here the land revenue was collected from the farmers, means from the tenants, and it was collected by the zamindars, the owners of the land. Okay. Then we have Mahalwari system. Here the land revenue was collected by the village head, by the head of the village, by the village head on behalf of the whole village, on behalf of the whole village. Okay. What was prevailing in Mahalwari system? Here the land revenue was collected by the head of the village on behalf of the whole village. And then the third system was Raitwari system. Here the land revenue was directly paid to the state or government. Here the land revenue was directly paid to the state or government by the farmers. The main difference between the land collection of land revenue in Zamindari system and Mahalwari system and Raitwari was that in Zamindari system it was collected from the farmers by the Zamindar by the owner of the land, and here in Mahalwari system it was collected by the head of the village on behalf of the whole village. Here it was collected directly by the state or government from the farmers. The farmers here were directly paying the land revenue to the state or government. Okay. Then in 1948, 1 year after independence, government of that country, government of India, took various steps to abolish the prevailing land holding system in India. So they took various steps, various measures were taken to abolish the prevailing system in India with a view to provide ownership to the tenants of the land. The mere purpose of these steps was that land should be given to the tenant rather than to the actual owner of the land. The actual owner of the land should be bypassed and tenant of the land should be made owner of the land. So various steps were taken. Now, today what we learned first land reforms in India. Here we learned the meaning of land reforms, then types of land reforms, and this much is enough for today.